Here at Sutton Ford, we are dedicated to making your car experience happen. So you're probably asking yourself, what does Suttonly mean? It means when you purchase a vehicle from us, it happens.
Wow.
And when you purchase a vehicle from Sutton Ford, you qualify for our Suttonly Advantage program, which includes the following. With our Suttonly Advantage program, you qualify for 24 months of complimentary maintenance. And we have our brand new Ford mobile service vehicle here waiting for you. And under our Suttonly Advantage program, you also qualify for our lifetime powertrain warranty. And you also get complimentary car washes. You also get complimentary shuttle service.
Hi, I'm Karen Sutton Ford, president of Sutton Ford. We are dedicated to giving you the customer service experience of your life.
Wow, that happened fast.
That's what happens when you get it done